Right, so a city hospital has decided to use emerging technologies, that's basically future technologies, to automate its packaging and dispensing of medicines to patients. It's decided to use robotic systems which identifies the medicine using barcodes and discusses the advantages to the hospital of using robots within this environment rather than humans to carry out the task. Now, okay, so this is a 7-mark question. We've been through this, a fair few times now. You know about this topic. But what I'm worried about is you actually going off course and talking about things like, well, what if the barcodes are wrong? Okay. What I want you to do is stick to facts, stick to what we've discussed in class. Okay. So, emerging technologies are technologies that are emerging. They're not current. Okay. Current technologies are technologies that are current because they make our lives better, and there's far more advantages to them than there are disadvantages. Okay, so try and think of some disadvantages of your smartphone. You probably can't think of many. Okay. Now, what you need to think of is this robot has a job to do. Okay, so this robot is now doing this job. Who did the job before? The job would have been done by a human. Why have they replaced a robot with a human? It's getting late. Why have they replaced a human with a robot? Why have they done that? Okay, so the initial startup costs could be a disadvantage. Okay, because the robots would be incredibly expensive to buy. So if the robots are incredibly expensive to buy, why on earth would they not keep the human? Okay, so humans make mistakes, robots don't. Robots can work far longer hours than humans. Okay, so robots can work 24/7, humans cannot. Humans need holidays, humans get sick. Okay, female humans get pregnant and have children. All this requires time off work that costs the company money. Robots do not. Humans need certain standards to work in. Okay, certain lights, heats, cooling systems. Robots may not. Okay, obviously rooms do have to be kept cool. For example, in our server room, it has to be kept to a certain temperature as the servers can blow up. Okay, so robots would work faster, quicker. There would be greater productivity than humans. So we're thinking of the disadvantages now. Okay, so what are the disadvantages of these? Well, is humans going to lose their job? Okay, so there will be less jobs available. Robots will still need maintaining. Okay, so you're going to need to still need to employ somebody that can actually maintain this robot, program this robot, fix it when it gets broke, and so on. Okay, so think of it in those terms and just simply stick to fact. Okay, I do not want you writing this question talking about what happens if the barcodes are wrong. Stick to fact. Why use a robot over a human? What's good about using a robot over a human? What's bad about it? Okay, stick to the question.